Hello. Welcome to the very first episode of Yoruba Dun. As I promised you before, we are going to make this fun. We are going to make this fun. I'm going to be trying my best to make this fun as much as possible. In as much as I want to teach you Yoruba language, culture, provide everything that is in my this little brain, I will try so much to make it fun, entertaining, educative, blah 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 as much as possible. So today, I don't want to take much of your time. You understand? I will like to teach you how to say hello or how are you or when you meet somebody. You understand? As a Yoruba person, you don't just start a conversation without greetings. For your information, you don't just start any conversation without greeting. You don't just jump into any conversation, even if you are making a call. You don't start anything without greeting. Greeting is the very first thing you do as a Yoruba person. So I'm going to be teaching you how to say hello, like hello, as simple as that in Yoruba language. Okay. So today we are going to start it. I'll just show you like four, let's say four words that covers the whole kind of like hello, what's up. You want to say what's up, hello, like to your contemporary especially. You want to say hello, what's up in Yoruba language. I want to tell you that it's so simple, and I'm going to be teaching right now. I'm going to write it down in this thing. So, and yes, before I go further, I promise that I'm going to really teach you how to like even read and write Yoruba. And I'm still going to do that, okay? I'm still going to do that. You just have to bear with me because this is my take two today for your information. I've been trying to make this as lovely as possible. I don't want to disappoint you. I want you to be good and perfect. But the more I think this thing, like I think I'm overthinking this thing. So I don't want to eventually not be able to do anything today because I promised to do something. I don't want anything to just like dabaru anything to scatter, to scatter my promise to you today. So therefore, I'm going to be improving every day. I'm going to improve on this video. I'm going to improve on the editing. I'm going to improve on the lessons. But let's just start from somewhere, okay? I am tired of overthinking this thing. I just want to start. I just want to start today because I promised, and I may grow that stick to my promise. So let's just start from somewhere. Don't let I don't want to I want to stop complicating this thing. So I think I should stop talking. Okay, no. Now, how do you say hello? And don't mind my scarf, you're going to be seeing a lot of this on me. This is me, like the real me, nothing. So yeah. Anyway, welcome back to Yoruba Don. I want to be very serious right now. So you listen because you are my students, okay? Listen and listen good. How do we say hello in Yoruba? We say ba wo ni. Yoruba is very simple. Believe me, it is very, very simple. It has to do with two, like let's say consonants and one consonant, one vowel, one consonant, one vowel, or one vowel, one consonant, one vowel, one consonant. Unlike English, you can have two consonants, like as simple like let's say, let me use the for example, the. We don't write Yoruba like that. We actually started with let's say a vowel plus a consonant, a vowel plus a consonant, or a consonant and a vowel, like that, like that, like that. So it's very rare you find two consonants together. Okay, is either a consonant plus vowel, a consonant plus vowel, or a vowel plus consonant, a vowel and a consonant, like that. So back to what I was saying, you want to say bawoni to somebody, you want to say hello to somebody, you say ba wo ni. I try to break it down so that you understand. It is just three syllables. Ba wo ni. It's like saying, how do you do? You meet somebody, let's say your friend, make it maybe Taye or Kenny or Jide or Bimpe or Bimbo. You say, hi Taye, báwo ni? Very simple. Hi babe. Maybe your babe, your girlfriend or your boyfriend, or you went that you báwo ni. You say báwo ni. It's very simple. It's like saying, how do you do? Hello, how do you do? Báwo ni? Even if it's on phone, you say báwo ni, then you continue your conversation like that. It's like greeting somebody. The next one is kí ló ń ṣẹlẹ̀? Kí ló ń ṣẹlẹ̀? This is more of a funky way of greeting because I said before we don't actually mix two consonants together. But you will see that in this one, I actually wrote two consonants together. Kí ló ń ṣẹlẹ̀ is because this one is more of like a street language, like a funky way of greeting somebody, very funky, like kí ló ń ṣẹlẹ̀, báwo ni, or kí ló ń ṣẹlẹ̀, like jamming C, kí ló ń ṣẹlẹ̀, you understand? Kí ló ń ṣẹlẹ̀ means what's up, what's happening, what's bubbling, like, to start a gist. Kí ló ń ṣẹlẹ̀, like what is happening with you? What is happening? This is happening, you understand? Yeah, so you can say báwo ni or kí ló ń ṣẹlẹ̀. Then the next one is wo ló ṣe. So I think I will be getting a chalkboard or a board in the future to be writing this thing down, or I don't know, or maybe I'll kind of like during editing I'm going to be putting all these things inside to make it more, I think, more, I don't know, like to make it better. Whatever. So èwo ló ṣe, èwo ló ṣe. Èwo ló ṣe means how are you doing? Èwo ló ṣe. Pàdí mi. Pàdí mi is my friend for your information. Pàdí mi, èwo ló ṣe. Kí ló ń ṣẹlẹ̀? Báwo ni? So you can say those are three, another way, that is the third way of saying hello or what's up. The next one is ṣó wà pa. Ṣé ó wà pa, but I will write it down. Ṣó wà pa. It's like also, how do you do? Ṣó wà pa. Then the person will answer you like whether it is báwo ni, kí ló ń ṣẹlẹ̀, èwo ló ṣe, or ṣó wà pa. The person will just say I dey, or so in Yoruba we say mo wà pa. Èwo ló ṣe, mo wà pa. Then actually the Yoruba way gone, like for real, you should say this thing is ṣe dáadáa ni. Ṣe is how dáadáa ni. That is the one I'm putting this one in number one right now. Like I'll put, I don't know, a stroke and arrow. The one I put arrow in front of it. Ṣe dáadáa ni. You see, if you really want one-on-one kind of coaching, or you want read and write from ABD, as I said before, we are going to be having a video, illustrative and educative video just for that. But this one is kind of like quickie, or let's say fun, entertaining, or just way of like teaching you how to speak Yoruba. But if it is like a class, we are going to be having a video and illustrative video coming, and with graphics and explanation and so on, kind of video. Okay, so let's just stick with this one and roll with this one for now. So let's go through it again. Ṣé dáadáa ni, it means dáadáa means fine or okay or perfect. So if you say ṣé dáadáa ni to somebody, that means how are you doing? Are you doing fine? Are you doing well? Are you all right? Báwo ni means, oh, what's up with you? Kí ló ń ṣẹlẹ̀? Just me. Kí ló ń ṣẹlẹ̀? What's up? Then èwo ló ṣe is still the same thing, and ṣó wà pa means also ṣé dáadáa ni, ṣàlàáfíà ni. So I could go on and on and on and on about that, about how to greet people in Yoruba, but let's just stick with the field. So we have today ṣé dáadáa ni, báwo ni, èwo ló ṣe, kí ló ń ṣẹlẹ̀, ṣó wà pa, ṣàlàáfíà ni, ṣe dáadáa ni. So now let me greet you again. Let's say this is ẹ̀yin tèmi, èwo ló ṣe, èwo lẹ ṣe, ṣàlàáfíà ni, ṣe dáadáa ni, ṣé wà pa. So that is how you do it. But I should say something very, 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 very important. You see this kind of greetings, everything I've said before is not for elderly people. If you are going to be greeting your grandma, your grandpa, your father, your mom, your anybody that is older than you, don't say these things to them. It's kind of like disrespectful. It's really disrespectful. It's like so if you are going to be flowing with this kind of thing, be telling those people that are your like contemporary, your mates, don't tell your dad, your mom, "Báyà, báwo ni, èwo ló ṣe, ṣó wà pa," okay? So I will see you in the next video. Till then, let me just say, ẹ wà pa. Until then, I will see you again in the next video. Thank you, and please subscribe. Please encourage me, subscribe, okay? Bye.